How to auto fit width and heights for columns and rows in Excel. So in this video today we are going to learn about, and at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Excel sheet and you can see we have some data here. So I'm going to show you the two methods that you can use as per your requirements. Okay, so first method, you can simply need to select the columns. You can simply few columns like this. Okay, just you need to hit the control button, hold it, and then select the column, your desired column. Okay, now go to the home tab. Under the home tab you go to the format, and under the format you can see the option called auto fit column width and auto fit row width. Okay, so it's done. Let me undo. Okay, or you can simply select all Excel sheet like this. Okay, you have to just click on this corner, then all Excel sheet will be select, all rows and column will be select. Now same, go to the format and click auto fit row heights, auto fit column heights width. Okay, and the another method is you can simply the select all Excel or desired column by clicking control key and hold it and select the columns. Okay, I just select the all Excel sheet, and you need to just click between the columns name, like we have the A and B columns, so we need to click between the columns. Make sure this symbol visible to you. Once it is visible, then just click and double click on it, then it will be the auto fit will be done. Same as for row, click between the numbers and make sure this symbol visible to you and double click, then auto fit will be done. So that is how we can done. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel and comments below. Thank you for watching.